What's up guys, Alex with Your Tech Explained, and in today's video I'm bringing you my first impressions of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now a huge thanks to Verizon for sending this unit out early so that we can make this video possible, but also all of our future content on this phone. So thank you Verizon. And so like I mentioned, this is an early first impressions. This is not to be taken as a full review, and my opinions can completely change between now and the full review. But this is what has stood out to me within the past few days of using this phone. Number one, I want to thank Samsung. Thank you, Samsung, for moving the fingerprint sensor down to the bottom of the camera lens and not to the side of it. It was a huge issue that I had with the S8 and S8 Plus, and a whole lot of people had that same issue. The placement just was bad. So thank you, Samsung, for listening to user complaints if you did and fixing it, because it makes a difference. The next thing that really stood out to me was performance. The performance on the S9 Plus is great. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM built in, so of course it's going to perform. I am curious to see though how this phone holds up in the future, let's say 5-6 months from now, if performance stays the same then. If it does, that will be great. So performance is pretty good. Now, camera, I haven't been able to really put the cameras through its pace, so I can't really comment much about that. From the few photos I did take, I think they were pretty impressive. Is it better than the Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL? I can't comment on that right now. That's something I'll have to leave for the full review. And AR emoji, I just don't want to talk about AR emoji. That should say a lot. But anyway, guys, this is my first impression of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Comment below. Also, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm Alex with Your Tech Explained, and I'll see you guys in our next video.